Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will mix color pink, magenta and mahogany brown Duco lacquer paint. Duco lacquer paint is a premium quality air drying paint which is ideal for all types of wood and metal surfaces. It dries off faster and has excellent color retention. It's also high solid content, excellent water resistance, self-leveling properties, and durability sets the house looking fresh and artistic. If you are new to our channel, please click the subscribe button to keep updated on our upcoming paint mixing tutorial videos. Thank you. Our client order 1 gallon mahogany lacquer Duco paint mix. Let's start by pouring lacquer yellow iron oxide. Followed by pouring lacquer moly orange. Also add lacquer international red. And last, lacquer carbon black. Let's now stir the paint to come out the color result. Let's compare to the client. Choose and sample. We are more lighter. Let's add more moly orange and carbon black. It's almost the same. We just have to darker it more by adding yellow iron oxide, moly orange, and carbon black. We got the right shade of mahogany color. Mixing accomplished. Our next order, 1 gallon pink magenta, Lacquer Duco paint mix. Let's start by pouring lacquer paint white. Then let's add lacquer paint maroon toner. Stir the paint well. It's very light. Let's add more maroon toner. Let's compare to clients. Choose and sample. We are more lighter. Let's add more maroon toner and a little ratio of lacquer. International red. Let's compare it once again. It's almost the same. We just have to make it more darker. We gonna add more maroon toner and a drop of international red. pink magenta color. Already, mixing accomplished. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click the bell icon to keep updated on my paint mixing tutorial videos. For more info, questions, and requests about paint mixing, paint colors, painting procedures, painting materials, and kind of paint, just comment here. Thank you so much. God bless.